App Manager and Backup is a top-rated Android application designed to help users manage and maintain their installed apps efficiently. This versatile tool allows users to easily back up their applications, ensuring that important data is safeguarded against accidental deletion or device failure. With this app, users can quickly uninstall unwanted apps, freeing up valuable storage space on their devices. In addition to backup and uninstallation features, App Manager and Backup offers detailed information about each application, including storage usage and permissions. This transparency enables users to make informed decisions about which apps to keep or remove. The app also supports batch operations, allowing multiple apps to be backed up or uninstalled at once, saving time and effort. Furthermore, the intuitive user interface makes it easy for users of all skill levels to navigate and perform tasks efficiently. Overall, App Manager and Backup is an essential tool for Android users looking to optimize their device's performance and maintain better control over their app management.